Okay, welcome back. Today we will be reading. Yes, we will be reading my sound effects. Like what sounds I can make. Different voices, different stuff. I haven't showed you all of mine. There's some that are creepy, like. Okay, so the first one, Donald Duck. I don't know if I used this one. I probably did. Okay, that was bad. And okay, you want to see me go rage? Yeah. I'm not too good with Mickey Mouse anymore. I used to be really good. And probably don't hear the crying baby. If you want it, okay. Wait, okay, and a demon. A monkey. And oh yeah, and dolphin. Yeah. I just looked at a base. It says the N word with one G. And then there's an A after the R.